Hey guys, today I'm at Artizan 422, located on Saint-Denis in Montreal, and I am about to have my hair colored back to dark red, so I'm really excited. Here's my stylist, Lovely. She really is lovely. And let's get into this. I'm excited. I was so excited, guys, for this appointment because basically I felt like my hair looked dead. So we used some semi-permanent hair dye, and look at this. My hair is like so red. Can you believe that we actually had to use 3 bottles of hair dye? 3. My hair was so thirsty, like, come on. So right now, Lovely is making sure that all my hair is covered. But like I said, my hair was so thirsty, so she had to go back to the different sections and make sure that all my hair was covered. Just like this. Yo, low-key, I kind of like the bright red on me. What do you guys think? Unfortunately, that bright red did not stay. I mean, I did not use any bleach, so it was normal for the color to only sit on my hair and not penetrate correctly. But I don't know, I didn't really want to use any bleach because I didn't want to ruin the healthiness of my hair. So I felt like a semi-permanent dye would do. So after that, she made sure that she applied a hair treatment on my hair to keep it moisturized, and I really liked it because it smelled really, really good. And as you can see, she's still using a lot of products in my hair. This is how dry my hair was. Okay, so after that, she made sure that she blow dried my hair so that it was easier after that to just give me a silk press. But you see how my hair looks so good. I love the red wine color that's in my hair. It's so pretty and it's perfect for this time of year. Then she made sure to trim my hair because, oh Lord, I had so much split ends. A lot of them. Like, for real, for real. So it was really refreshing to get a hair trim, and I wasn't really afraid of her cutting too much of my hair because at this point I was just fed up. So I just wanted my hair to look healthy, and that's what happened, because look at this silkiness. It's so nice. Also, I have to mention that 2 weeks after that, I was able to do my whole wash day routine, and I was pleasantly surprised because I did not shed a lot. And I know that it's because of this trim right here. I'm really happy. Whenever you go to your hairdresser, don't be scared about how much hair you're gonna lose. Just focus on the health of your hair. After giving me the silk press, she laid down my edges. I do not know what she used, but it worked. My hair never lays, especially not my edges, but she did that. Like they say in Creole, un café si fréquent, which means now that my edges are laid, I can give you attitude. So here are the end results. My hair looks super healthy, super slick. I'm really happy about the results. I mean, yo, I was feeling myself to the fullest. But anyway, make sure that you check out Lovely at her hair salon, Artizan 422. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!